Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, and its name is Natural Disasters. So children, before learning about natural disasters, firstly we should learn about natural environment. Everything is not human made, comes under natural environment. Land, air, water, plants and animals all comprise the natural environment. So children, let us know the meaning of disaster. It is an event often sudden that causes great damage. And now, what is natural disaster? Natural disaster is a natural event such as a flood, earthquake, drought, landslides, volcanic eruption or hurricane that causes great damage or loss of life. So here are some types of natural disasters like tornado, volcano, earthquake, tsunami, drought, avalanche, dust storm, hurricane, thunderstorm, flood, sandstorm and so on. So we will learn about some of them. So children, let's learn about floods. What is a flood? Flood is one of the natural disasters and most risky. It happens when too much water is collected in any area. It often happens because of heavy rain. The overflow of rivers causing this natural disaster is widespread in rural areas. Moreover, the melting of snow also occurs. Floods are very common in India, especially in the northern plains. They cause damage to life, property and crops. So let's learn what to do during a flood. Avoid areas subject to sudden flooding. Stay indoors. Third, move to upper levels of buildings or houses. Do not attempt to cross rivers or flowing streams. Be aware of water-covered roads and bridges. Do not drive in flood waters. Do not go swimming or boating. Diseases such as cholera, malaria and typhoid generally spread in areas hit by floods. Now children, let's learn about droughts. What are droughts? A drought is a period of time when there is a lack of water on land. Plants and crops do not grow properly. Plants and animals die and streams and rivers shrivel up. Because farm crops and animals die due to lack of water, there is less food for people to eat and the price of food goes up. If a drought lasts a long time, people may also die of starvation and the land might turn into desert. Droughts, causes, effects and prevention. Dry weather causes droughts. It usually occurs in summer season due to hot and dry weather. It mainly causes due to less rainfall. Drought affects economic, environment and social resource. It can be mitigated by irrigation and crop rotation. We can prevent from droughts by using water in proper ways, growing plants as much as we can and avoid deforestation. So, food grows where the water flows. Now next is earthquake. Earthquake occurs when two of the earth's plates move, causing vibrations or shaking to occur. Here you can see in this picture, these are the plates. When they shake, earthquake occurs. So children, let's learn about earthquake safety. What to do when in an earthquake. Always get under something like a table. Make sure you are away from stuff that may fall on you. Always keep your head down. When at school, always follow the instructor and they will know what to do. If you cannot get help from anyone at school during an earthquake, always remember to stay by the lockers in the halls and keep your head down. Here are some more tips of earthquake: drop, cover, hold on. So children, how can we know about earthquake? The seismograph is an instrument that is used to record earthquake. Here you can see in this picture the magnitude or intensity of earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. The scientific study of earthquakes is called seismology. The place of origin of an earthquake is called the focus. Earthquake can lead to other natural disasters such as landslides, avalanches, and tsunamis, as you can see in this picture. Now let's learn about landslides. A landslide is a large amount of earth, rock, and other material that moves down a steep slope. Landslides happen when a layer of earth or rocks separates. So latest in Shimla, landslide occurred. Now next is avalanche, a mass of snow, ice and rocks falling rapidly down a mountain side. You can see in the picture. Now next is tsunami. What is tsunami? Tsunami is a series of water waves caused by the displacement of a large volume of a body of water, usually an ocean, or it is a huge wave caused by an undersea earthquake. So children, let's learn about some other natural disasters. So let's learn about forest fires. Wildfires or forest fires are large destructive fires in forest. They may be triggered by lightning or human activities, as you can see in the picture. Now, what is blizzard? A blizzard is a severe winter weather condition, violent snowstorm characterized by strong winds, cold temperatures, and reduced visibility due to falling or blowing snow. Now children, what are volcanoes? A volcano is an opening in the surface of the earth, out of which melted rock and gases explode. What is tornado? A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. As you can see in the picture, volcanoes and tornado. Let's learn about cyclones. A cyclone is a storm accompanied by very strong winds at a very high speed and heavy rainfall. West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat are the areas prone to cyclones. So children, how to prepare for cyclone? Listen to the radio or TV for information. Secure your home. Turn off utilities if instructed to do so. First aid kit and essential medicines. Torch, lamps, candles, matches, etc. Stay away from ocean and sea. Stay in the strongest part of your house. Hopefully children, now you have understood what are natural disasters. So it's activity time children. Find out the places in which currently floods, landslides and cyclone occurred and mention it in a table. Also paste the pictures of all the 3 disasters. Here is the table mentioned. You have to maintain this table. Thank you.